Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon. How is everybody doing? I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're doing good, guys. Welcome to Amaliani Vlogs Kenya or Amaliani Vlogs and Lifestyle. Welcome back to my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you're new, please consider subscribing, consider liking and sharing. So today we are in the garden, as you can see there. Plucking, is it plucking or harvesting vegetable? The pumpkin leaves. Yeah, having pumpkin leaves for dinner today. We're gonna mix it with Malabar spinach. I'm gonna mix it with Malabar spinach, and then you can take it with ugali. You can take this with ugali. So I'm from Kenya, and the recipe normally does well in western side of Kenya. The recipe does well from people who come from western, including me. You take this with ugali. If you cook it well, it's so yummy. Very, very yummy. If you take it with ugali. From Shamba to the plate. So you're welcome, guys. Please watch the video, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a nice comment for me, please. Talk to me through community, or talk to me through normal comment section, or through community. So this is what we have in Africa. Very organic vegetable. Very, very organic. So the rain has been raining. It has been raining. We have been having too much or just enough rain. So people are planting. Others are doing whatever they're supposed to do to their gardens or their shamba for them to plant. And vegetables are kind of cheap now. Yeah, vegetables are kind of cheap right now in the market because the rain, it's enough for the farmers to harvest. Their crops. Especially now, I think you're harvesting vegetables. Yeah, right now people are dealing just with the vegetables. Maize, beans, that will be ready around June, July there. Yeah, around June, July there. It's when the maize and the beans will be ready. So after this, pumpkin leaves behind me on that fence, that's Malabar spinach. So you're gonna harvest that. Also, or pluck. We're gonna take that also, just enough for my dinner. Yeah, just enough for my dinner, for today's dinner. So if you're watching this and you know the recipe, please let me know. But I think the recipe, especially people who live in Kenya, because this is what you call misheveve. Yeah, this is how misheveve grows. There's a certain video went viral, I think 2 years back or 1 year back, about misheveve. This is how misheveve grows. Yeah. So like, share, and subscribe as you enjoy the video. So let us go and take this is the Malabar spinach. And can you call it Nderema? Yeah, I call it Nderema.
This is Malabar spinach.
Other people call it spinach. Other call it Malabar spinach.
Malabar spinach.
Yeah. But here we call it Nderema.
Hum low in empty tones. Shadows whisper where love had grown. A broken clock ticks but never moves. Echoes of yesterday calling my name, lost in the rhythm of a heartbroken flame. Round and round I'm spinning in the past. Forever homesick, this feeling won't last. Footsteps on roads I'll never retrace. Eyes wide shut but I see your face. The air tastes of salt and bitter dreams. How do I move when the weight's so thick? Homesick, homesick, homesick. I'm stuck in the quick. Echoes of yesterday calling my name, lost in the rhythm of a heartbroken flame. Round and round I'm spinning in the past. Forever homesick, this feeling won't last. How do I move when the weight's so thick? Homesick, homesick, I'm stuck in the quick. I chase the shadows, they dance and they hide. Regrets the ghosts that won't leave my side. The stars they hum, but I hear no reply. Just me and my heart
So I'm almost done. I just want to have enough. I'll boil and then other I'll put in the freezer side to be used later. So I'm almost done here. So the following thing is to make the veggies. So you just make your pumpkin leaves. You mix it with this. Cut them the way you cut your kales. Then mix them, wash them well, and then you boil with the baking powder. For me, I use baking powder. After that, and then you fry using your onions, and then your tomatoes, and then any cube of your flavor, and then you're good to go with the ugali. So next we are going to cook them, because the video that I did while preparing them, I've uploaded it as a live stream on the other channel. So we are going to fry them. Yeah, we are going to fry them after preparing them. Yeah. So see you in the other side. See you the other side, guys, as we cook our vegetables.
Yeah, so let me continue. We see each other later.
Onions are ready. Put tomatoes. And then you add salt, just tiny salt. And then you add 2 cubes according to your flavor. If you love chicken cubes, you're good to go. If you love meat or beef cubes, you're good to go. For me, this is beef cubes. And then smash them like that, like that, and then mix. Then the salt will help your tomatoes to cook faster or to soften faster. So we're gonna cover it for a few minutes for the tomatoes to be soft, like that. Let us check. Like that. So remember when I was harvesting the vegetable, they were a lot. When I boiled them, they were a lot. So I had to put them into small amount for me to put them in the freezer. So this is among the vegetable. How they look. Malabar spinach and pumpkin leaves. They kinda slidey because of Malabar spinach. So we put it like that. Like that. They're kinda slidey. And then when you mix, so to this part, I think now you know you can mix the pumpkin leaves with the Malabar spinach. Yeah. This part, you then now you know. Mix them together. Make a nice recipe, make a nice vegetable, make a nice dinner. You can take this with ugali. You can take this with ugali. So yummy with ugali. So yummy. Let it simmer for 4 minutes. Let us check. They are ready. They are ready. They are very ready. Wow, so yummy, guys. So yummy. So yummy. So yummy. So you can take this with meat, any meat of your choice, beef, white meat, with the ugali aside, even vegetable, even rice. You can take this with rice, by the way. For those who are vegetarian, you can take this with rice. There we go. There we go. Some of this. There we go, guys. So as I said, you can take this with beef, any red meat, any white meat, with ugali or with rice. Yeah, with ugali or rice, you're good to go. You're good to go. So try this recipe and let me know how yours goes or how yours went. And please like, share, and subscribe. Amaliani Vlogs and Lifestyle. And try this, please. Try this. It's kinda a little bit slidey. Try this, please. So bye bye. Thank you so much for watching, liking, sharing, and subscribing. I know to this far you have subscribed because the video is very well detailed. Yeah. So bye bye. See you in the next video.